Okay, so let's welcome to our SEO 5 video number 5 to all viewers. So today is the fifth video for our SEO free training, and I'm just handing over to Rubal to start this training now.
Yes, sir. I'm starting this session. We know that optimization has many factors, many layers, but the most important thing is the on-page optimization of a website. On-page means the process that says what while what we do on a website, that is called page optimization, and that is what we visible on website. And for on-page optimization, the most important thing is this character. We have to make the title length within 155 characters. There are also many guidelines. Once upon a time, Google preferred 172 character. Still, Google say that 172 character they prefer, but the best practice is 155 character. And then another thing is snippet view. Do you aware of snippet view, sir?
No, I'm not aware of that.
Okay, let me show. When we search the web with something appear. When I search with Discord Ninja, you are saying that this line is appearing here. This is called snippet, and this snippet is a combination of your title, URL, and the meta description of the page. So
Okay, meta description, yes.
So on search what you want to show your website's headline, you can make that, and you have to make that within the on-page optimization. For snippet view, you have to put the title, after that the URL and the meta description. These three combination will give you this view. So you can change.
So what
as you want.
what should be the length of a number of characters we can use in a snippet view?
So there is no limit actually, because if you calculate the title should 150 character, meta description is near about 100. Yeah, meta description is near about 240 character, and the URL should be within 48 characters to 55 characters.
Okay.
And this will give you the view that you want to display here.
It will give a brief description about the site,
Yes.
so that the people would,
We can
interact.
define
Okay.
that while optimizing these steps.
Okay.
And then comes the article, I mean content or article, whatever you say. There was no limit of the article's maximum length. Once upon a time, up to 300 words were working fine, but nowadays those articles who are less than 1500 words are not so much valuable to Google. So you have to put an article which is at least 1500 word plus for better.
Okay.
And while creating the article, you have to keep in mind that your paragraph should be maximum 120 words length. One paragraph 120 words. And it's better to put some bullet or numbering in your paragraph. And another thing is that you have to use at least 3 images in a 1500 words article. It means you can calculate it that is 500 words, 1 image. That's
Okay.
value. But if you can use more images that is relevant to your content, there is no limit to use the number of images. But the image you are using, that should be relevant to the content.
Yeah, and you are saying that with 500 words, at least one image should be there.
Yes.
Okay.
It's a
And
good
we have
practice.
we have to use all H1, H2, H3, H4, all this.
Yes,
the
and
heading
this
tag.
heading, and this is serially, I mean in a sequence, that we cannot use that. For an example, I am using H1 tag, After that I am using a h3 tag, then using a h2 tag, then repeating the h4 tag. It's not a good practice, sir. It should
Okay.
systematically and serially that once my title should be the h1 tag, then we can put some heading that is h2 tag, another heading h3 tag, another heading h4 tag, but we
Hmm.
can I mean
Sir,
render it.
what about using multiple times H1, H2, H3 tags? If,
Sir,
if
there is as per Google guideline, one article cannot contain more than one H1 tag. If you use more than one H1 tag, then Google get, I mean, what get confusion that what he want to say. That
okay, okay.
and heading tag
So,
is you can use as many as you want, but good practice is to use one.
yeah. So H1 tag should be used once only in one
Yes,
article.
sir.
But
Yes,
what
sir.
about S2, S3, and H4 tag?
You can use a H2 twice maximum, but H3, H4 you can use as many as time you want or you need. But
Okay.
H5 and H6 also there are other two tags, but they are not
Hmm.
carry any value in SEO nowadays. It was carried once upon a time, but nowadays totally Google omits H5 or H6 tags, and
Okay.
short time Google will read only these three tags: H1, H2, and H3. H4 will also be eliminated very soon.
Okay. So
And
this is
yes, sir.
yeah. So this is all about on page or anything left?
Yes, another only one point is left that you need to optimize your image also as per your content. You have
Okay.
to make a good title for your image, and when you upload that image into WordPress, we have to define the alt tag, because alt tag is the only key to for indexing a image on web.
Okay. So
So
okay.
there is
So you mean that if we should not just randomly put the images, first thing the images should be relevant to your particular paragraph heading.
exactly, sir.
Second thing, image should be optimized in terms of size also, and of course with respect to
Of course, sir.
title and alt tag. Okay.
Yes, sir.
So
Oh, yes, sir. There is an tool also, online tool we can use
hmm,
to reduce the size. We can show it. This is this is the URL. It's free and you can use it to reduce the size of the image without losing any quality or resolution.
so you want that image should be in which format? JPG or PNG? In which format we should have?
JPG, PNGs are basically used for logo, and the other
Okay.
format it's JPG preferable format,
No,
and that is
I'm just
practice.
asking, is there any effect on SEO if you use JPG or PNG? Is there any relationship or any kind of format we can
No,
use
sir,
it?
there is no relationship. In PNG format, you cannot edit so many things that you can edit on JPEG. You can
Okay.
tag title, you can tag description, you can tag your website, everything you can do in JPEG. But on PNG, you cannot tag those. That's why we prefer JPEG.
Okay. So this is the tool imageoptim.com online.
Yes, it is the tool to reduce the size of the images, because sometimes it comes that image contain 1 MB or 2 MB. But if you use this tool, it will reduce it at least within 100 KB or 120 KB without losing the resolution. That's why this is a very, very good tool, sir.
Okay. Great.
And another thing is that off-page optimization.
Yeah, this is our next slide,
Yes,
right?
and
Okay.
page optimization was basically it was totally dependent on once upon a time backlinks. Once upon
Okay.
a time there was a belief that how many backlink you have, your website will rank first. But nowadays backlink works, but only quality backlinks, sir.
Hmm.
And while creating the backlinks you have to aware about that is your website is relevant to that site or not.
First, I just wanted to just explain because lot of new learners are also watching this.
Yes, sir.
First, explain that what do you mean by backlink?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Backlinks is if we search our website with Squad Ninja, just Squad Ninja, I'm searching, we will see some extra result rather than our own website. This is the
Yeah.
own website of ours, and this is the
Okay.
Facebook page. It is also related to Squad Ninja.
Yes,
LinkedIn,
this is
it is
yeah.
also related
Facebook
to
is
Squad
coming.
Ninja.
LinkedIn, yeah, LinkedIn is coming. Yes, right.
These links are called backlinks, sir.
Okay.
That from LinkedIn, you have a reference related to this site. That's why it's appearing here. And how
Okay.
many site you have a YouTube channel and something. Here is some
Yeah,
article with
yeah, yeah.
about.
This YouTube video is our coming, right?
Yes, sir.
One
These are
video.
called the backlinks, sir. And the benefit of backlinks is that it gives you some extra traffic.
Okay.
When people will visit this site like it, he might be interested on Squad Ninja, then click, and he will see that your website is there, and
Hmm.
maybe you will get one or two lead also from these sites. That's why backlinks are quite important.
So I just wonder how Google. So if we have, if so many websites are referring our or giving our link, so Google also give us reference while in search. In
No,
search when
Google not search. Google just in get indexed based on that keyword. I mean, Squad Ninja. Google
okay.
crawls, when Google crawls Facebook, Google find that is Squad Ninja. Then Google comes to Squad Ninja website. When Google crawls it, Google's maybe somewhere Google finds that it is relevant to this post. That's why Google makes an interlink to these sites,
Hmm.
and this site also appears on your homepage. On sorry, search engine result page. That's
Hmm.
why backlinks are quite important. But
Oh.
the main thing is, sir, suppose this is an educational site.
Mm-hmm.
If I go here, just as it's an example.
Hmm.
This is a website. It is totally about plumbing site. If I
Yeah.
make a backlink here related to Squad Ninja, is it relevant? You say.
No, no, no relevant, and it's not going to be useful, right?
That's it, sir. Once upon a time, Google didn't know this. Google just counted how many backlinks are there. Nowadays,
Mm-hmm.
Google counts that the backlink is relevant to this site or not. So,
Mm-hmm.
if there are so many blog posts, we know that forum post, blog post for creating backlinks is a good practice. If we post on a plumbing blog about Squad Ninja on a plumbing service, then Google will find that I am trying to make some just backlinks, not quality backlinks. Then Google may penalize also us.
Okay, one way of having backlink is that to create our website account, a blog account at each
Social
social
media,
media,
sir.
right? Social
Yes,
media, Twitter, LinkedIn, or Facebook, Pinterest,
Pinterest,
or whatever. So
Reddit.
and
That's a
these
good.
and these where will be the quality backlink, correct? Because
Yes,
this
sir. These
website has
are quality
already.
backlinks.
Okay.
And some referral. These referral courses are for creating your web presence. If you don't get any backlinks, any social media account, then there is another way that is we called Web 2.0 referral. Web
Mm-hmm.
2.0 are those websites those offers us free hosting, free sites with hosting, such as Blogspot. I think you are aware about that, sir. Blogspot.
Mm-hmm.
Blog Google have also there is a service of Google that is Blogger.
Yes, yes, yes.
Yes. If you create a Squad Ninja page under this Blogger site,
Mm-hmm.
give you a link. that is called Web 2.0, because it is not truly website hosted there.
Mm.
You hosting on blogger.com and getting a subdomain from or subfolder from them.
Okay.
You can also create this type of page only to refer that you are present on the web and you have some backlinks. These
Right.
are the things, basically. And these are the main factor of on-page and
You
off-page marketing.
you mean to say even if I have a site, okay, like squareninja.net,
Yes,
then even though we can go to the blogger and create our page on Square Ninja Net,
yes, you can create
and
Squad Ninja.
it will
You can,
and then it will create treated as a one of the backlink also for our main site.
yes, sir. And when it will create value, similarly, you can create a post there on Blogger under Squad
Mm.
Ninja, and
Mm.
inside that post, you can say that squadninja.net, or you can link a article of your website that
Mm.
is relevant to that article. Then it's going to be a good link.
Yes, not only just creating the
Yeah, not
page and all
only
that.
creating, it will not, Google will not understand that this is code ninja is related to that.
Yes.
If you find link, make a link, I mean internal link or intra link, then it
Mm.
will understand, Google understand, oh, this is that.
Okay.
And Google
Okay.
index it, sir.
Yeah, fine. I think, yeah, we have to wrap up the last one. We are, I think, going beyond our time limit.
Yes,
We should keep this quite
and
short.
we have finished the referral and the links that you can create a page anywhere and put your all links there. All links there. How many links you have, you just list on that.
Where we have to create this?
You can use Blogger, you can use Wix, just paste, and inside that page you are putting your Facebook link, your Twitter link, your Squad Ninja homepage link, and
Okay.
as many as link you are creating, you just putting this there. It
Okay.
takes time, but someday after 1 month or 2 months or 3 months later, Google will know that these links are related to squadninja.net, and Google will think that, oh, it has a good links also. It's a long time process, but it works.
Okay. Okay. Great. Great. So I think that's
So
it
I think yes,
for today video
yes,
today
sir. For
session.
today we
Any,
are,
any,
sir.
anything left? So you can conclude that.
No,
And
sir. Today everything is complete, sir. Today.
okay. So if for visitors who are watching this on our YouTube channel, if they have any questions or any doubt,
They can comment it, sir.
they can write into the comment section, and we will definitely respond to that. Okay. Thank you
Exactly,
very
sir.
much thank you very much, Rubal, for this wonderful session,
Yes, sir.
and
Same to you, sir.
we will meet into
Because
next
without
session.
your initiation, this was not possible.
Thanks. Chalo. Okay then. Yeah.
Okay,
Okay.
sir. Bye, sir.